Hello? Is anyone here? This forest is so quiet. I feel like someone is watching me. It's probably just my imagination. Why is this path so dark? I should keep walking forward. What was that? Who's there? Come out, I'm not afraid. Okay. Maybe I am a little scared. I can hear footsteps behind me. I need to stay calm. There is something shining over there. What could it be? It looks like a small light. Wait, it's just a firefly. That's so beautiful. I feel a bit relaxed now, but I still need to find the way out. Which direction should I go? The trees all look the same. I think I'm lost. Don't panic. I hear water nearby. Maybe there is a river. I should follow the sound. I see light ahead! I found the way out! Finally! Oh no, why is my alarm ringing? Let me turn it off. Finally, silence. Wait a minute. Today is a holiday. I forgot to disable the alarm. That's so annoying. I wanted to sleep longer. I'm so tired. Maybe I should go back to sleep. No, I'm already awake. Fine, I'll get up. Where are my slippers? There they are. First, I need to wash my face. The cold water feels nice. I feel a little better now. What should I eat for breakfast? Maybe some eggs and toast? That sounds good. Let me make some coffee too. The kitchen is so quiet today. I love peaceful mornings. My breakfast is ready. It smells delicious. This coffee is exactly what I needed. Maybe today won't be so bad. I'll relax and enjoy my holiday. Good morning, me! Leo! Leo! You need to see this!
What happened? Why are you shouting?
Just hurry! Come downstairs!
Okay, I'm coming. Wait, what is that?
It's a dog.
Wow, that's a really big dog.
I know. I found him in our yard.
How did he get here?
I have no idea.
He's so cute.
He really is.
Can we keep him?
What? No!
Why not? He already likes us.
He might belong to someone.
But what if nobody comes for him?
First, we should post a notice and look for the owner.
Okay, that's the right thing to do.
If nobody claims him, maybe he can stay with us. Okay, Emma, today's the day. Don't panic. What if I forget everyone's names? Smile. Just smile and act confident. Good morning. I'm the new employee. Welcome. We've been expecting you.
Hi, Emma. Nice to finally meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Let me show you around the office.
Thank you. I'd appreciate that.
Here's your desk.
Wow. It's actually mine?
Your first task is sending a few emails.
Great. I can handle that. First day, survived. Confidence level, increasing. You know what? I think I'm gonna love this job. Oh no, what should I wear to Sophia's birthday party? Maybe I should wear my blue dress. Is it too simple? What about the red one? No, it's a little too flashy. I don't want everyone staring at me. After all, it's Sophia's special day. Maybe the blue dress is the better choice. Should I wear silver earrings with it? Yes, that would look elegant. But what about my shoes?
High heels always look nice.
But my feet will hurt. I want to dance and enjoy the party. Comfortable shoes might be smarter. What should I do with my hair? Should I leave it down? Or tie it up? Loose curls would be pretty. Okay, I think I'm finally figuring it out. Blue dress, silver earrings, and comfortable shoes. Simple, elegant, and practical. Sophia is going to have an amazing birthday party. Great! Now I just need to get ready.